What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today I want to introduce you to the Sportline jack adapter pad pucks. These are designed to create a safe lifting point on the bottom of the Tesla, and they will simply install into one of the 4 factory jacking points on the bottom of the Tesla. Simply line up the O-ring post on the jacking puck with the lift point hole in the Tesla subframe, and it will simply push up and in, allowing you to then put a floor jack underneath and jack up the car. This is quick and easy to do and will prevent any damage to the lift point pads or the bottom of the Tesla floor. This is going to come with a zippered storage case to keep things organized and provide a convenient storage solution that you can use in the trunk of your Tesla or the garage. Thank you for checking out this quick overview of the Sportline jack pads for all Tesla models. If you want to check these out for yourself, you can do that at sportline.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you're not already, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.